Okay, Chuck, I have a couple questions. Why did you decide to go to a park right after a storm and waste this precious time that we have trying to get back?
Yeah, it's an amazing idea, Red. What makes you think it's not?
Well, maybe because all the equipment will be wet and I'm gonna have a little wet booty the whole time.
What do you mean? You have no butt.
You assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything is.
Come on, let's go.
So, what are we doing? I don't know. I thought you were supposed to tell us.
Can we go on the swing?
No! Can we go on the little spinner thing over there?
Well, I want to go down the slide, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Chuck, do you like the new Red when he's like all serious and stuff?
Not really. I mean, less about having fun, right?
Yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna pull a Red and go to the swings by myself. Yippee!
Time for super speed.
Why do they get to have all the fun? It's my turn. Are you guys okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, me too.
Well, that was a fun adventure we had.
Yeah, it really was.